How to save Google Docs as PDF on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can save Google Documents as a PDF on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. So first what you want to do is open up your Google Docs app. Next, open up the file that you'd like to save as a PDF. Click on this one. So this is the file. I can make any edits on this as I normally would, so I can just type in a few things here. This is my Google Doc. Next, once I'm happy with this document, I click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then where it says share and export, click on that one. Next, tap on Save As. And here it gives you the option to choose your format. So I'm going to click on PDF document. Then click OK. And now it's saving that document and converting it to a PDF. And as you can see, this document has now been created as a PDF. I can click on download if I want to download it to my files. And that's all it takes to save Google Docs as a PDF on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.